Okay, well, I'm getting ready to try and put this gear thing in. What this thing is, I keep low reverse piston. Oh, you act like you know what it is. That's all right. Keep messing around with me. You can be putting these jokers together every day. Just keep on. I'm gonna bring the transmission home and say, honey, here's another one.
Oh boy.
Go ahead and put it together. You get half the proceeds. I'm gonna put some grease around here, guys. I don't know about putting it down there because I don't know where I'm putting it. Just a little grease because I want that joker to slide in. I had an idea, but looks like everybody on television does it just right. They just put it in there. Everybody on television. Well, let me tell you what everybody on television does. They take this thing and they stick it in there and they make sure they match these things here match up. And they take the gear thing and they knock it and then boom, there you go. Now the question is, how do you know the damn thing gonna match up? Because it's a precision fit. Let's see, how do you know it's gonna match? Oh, feel it click. Oh, wait, whoa. Hold up, y'all, hold up. Snap. Damn. Did it just suck it in there? Well, I hope I won't have to get the air pump thing to pull it out because I gotta make sure that thing is in the groove. There you go. Just pull it. Yeah. Just like that. All right, let's see. Let me see now. Hold up. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Yeah, you can feel it. Whoop. I don't know. Don't know.
Be careful.
Oh, it doesn't hurt. I don't know how you could tell, man. I don't know how you could tell. Because I think I was in the wrong direction. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to line this up, not only with this notch here, but I'm going to line it up with this little spline here. And I'll line this up just as well. So, and then I'll know if it goes in there correctly or not. Because otherwise I can't tell. It's kind of hard to tell. Look at that. See, look at that. I'm telling you, man. Y'all just don't understand. Okay, here we go. There's a little notch over here too. Where did that go? Wait a minute, hold up. Gotta look at it again. Alright, here we go. You can't tell, man. You can't tell. You can't tell if it's in there or not because it's spinning. You can't really tell. You cannot tell. I'm going to have to do something. I'm going to have to figure something out. Because if I make a mistake and try to put that joker down on there and it's not lined up, that's not going to be fun. So there's got to be another mechanical way to do this, or a correct way to make sure it's in that hole there. I can either mark it up and be done with it. So y'all give me a chance to look things over and then I'll get back with you. This is something that somebody may be interested in knowing, huh? How can you really tell if that thing is in that slot? Try to pull it out again. It's trying to suck in there, boy. Going past that. Well, I'm gonna have to commit. can't commit to that. I have to know. Oh, this is no fun, guys. I'm gonna have to use the air compressor to push that joker back out. I wonder if I got any air left in that thing. Let me see if I can try to pull it out one more time. And let's see. And it is in there. They should put a little handle on there. Let's work it out. Y'all don't go to sleep. There it goes. It's just sliding that seal past that area. That's all it's doing. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to get me a marker and mark it. We know that this is the slot here, but I'm so old I'd be forgetting. So I'm going to mark that slot. That way I know exactly where it is and I won't be afraid at all. I'll just put the damn thing in. Then I'll check to see if it goes in. Because that mark here and this mark here fits. So this mark here should fit this. But by the time I get it down there, I've been forgot. They got them all mixed up like that. Okay, I feel it now. I feel it. Oh yeah, check it out. It's got little teeth marks also. If you look carefully, you could see they don't even mention this in the other videos. They don't mention that in the other videos. Because you see how the teeth, I don't know if you can see those teeth, those little grooves that it fits in those little grooves there. And you'll know you got it right when it fits in those grooves correctly, because I'm just going to do this for experiment's sake. If I took it out and did this, let's see, would it fit? Yes, it will too, huh? It fits in them grooves just as well. So it's not like a key or anything. It's get it right, because if you don't, you're going to be messed up. That's what it's like. Alright, so I'm going to take this and I'll line that up with that one. Yeah, that's not cool, because that doesn't look like it lines up correctly. Take this, and this lines up with that one. If that's the case, then it sure is close. Let me get my head down in there. That is a close, tight fit. Yeah, don't look at my bald head too close. Let's see. Alright. There we go. Let's try it again. Yeah, well, there it is. Man, you can feel it. You can feel it. You can really feel it. You can feel it when you hit it in that little clickety-clack, click-clack thing. So, in my opinion, this thing is down. But they said that I should get something and knock it down. So I'll get this item that the guy used in the video. And knock it down. I'm going to use this end of it. This is the output shaft, I believe. think this is the output shaft. And so he went in and he did this a couple times. I don't know if I want to do that or not on that side. Let me do it on this side here. You hear how loose it is. That feels like it's on there to me. Let's see if it goes past that lip. There's a lip there. Oh yeah. I'm gonna mess around and break the seal trying to get the damn thing in there. I don't know, I don't feel that lip like I want to feel it, but is it in there or is it not? That is the question. I heard that. In the transmission, guys. This is a transmission show. This is not, well, maybe it is sometimes, but anyway. Now, I have the option to get that tool and pull it down in there. The question is it in there? How do you tell? Don't know. Doesn't look like it's in there though. See, it seems like there's a little play there. Man. Well, I'm willing to bet you there's a way to do it. Because I'm thinking I'm supposed to feel a little lip there to make sure it's all the way down. That's in that pan too, so I should take it out of that pan. I think what I'm going to do is, got this little tool here. I could take this tool, even it up really good, you know, and pull it down. I just hope I don't destroy my seals. I really don't think that thing is supposed to be moving like that. You know, why I could tilt it like that. See how it tilts? Seems like that joker should be in there. And then after that, I'm supposed to take this thing here and put it in there. So I'm for sure that thing is not down on there. Or is it? Anyway, let me go look at the man's video. So I would say as of today, that thing is in there, but I have to check the man's video to make sure. I might have to pop it back out and start all over again. Check my seals and grease up some more and start over again, because I do not want to mess up. And it seems that banging on this damn thing is not a good idea. Especially when it doesn't go in the way he said it was going to go in. But I do feel that I have, you see how it's skin? Look at that. That's not supposed to do that. Look at that. That whole damn thing spun around. See, that ain't going to make it. That ain't going to work, guys. That's not going to work. That thing wants to come out of there. Let's break it out. Check my seals again. I hate to buy some more seals. Once I got the old seals, they'll be sure. See that? Let me see. Oh man, look at that. No, it's okay. Everything is okay. Well, at least that side. Let me look at it closely to see if I did any damage. If I did some damage, this transmission has got to go. Everything has got to go. Not really, because these little things here, I think they cost like $15 or something. Link in description below. Let's see. Well, at least they give me a chance. Okay, this whole journal, there's a big giant journal down here, and this joker here is supposed to fit inside of that journal. This is supposed to fit. I mean, that journal is so deep, and that thing is supposed to fit in there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to see if I can find a tool to go across there so I can hammer down on these instead of hammering down on this center part here. If I hammer down on these at the same time, I might be successful. So I'll let you guys know. I mean, I should let you just watch me do it, but there's a couple of things that I didn't let y'all watch me do. See, I would hate to gouge, you know, that inner area in there. Because if that happens, then boy, we got leaks. But it feels good. She said, how do you know how it feels? You got on gloves, because these are some good gloves. Link in the description below. There's another key right there. Let's see. Let's see. That little tool I got just might work. Put that tool on there and just pull it down on there. Just muscle it down on there. Man, I would hate to break this thing. Sure would. I sure would hate to break that. Let me go take it off the bench. I mean, take it out of this, what do you call this thing? It's been drained enough. Oops, this way. It's been drained enough. Move that out of the way. That way I'll be on something a little bit more solid than that. And we'll try this again, but this time I don't know if I'm gonna pull it down or knock it down. Which one should I do, guys? Knock it down? I can't knock it down. I should pull it down. And if I pull it down, that means I gotta turn it to its side. Man, oh man. Have you ever been to Spain? Where the joy of laughing people makes you happy again. Let's see. There's gotta be a way. There's gotta be a way, man. There's gotta be a way. There's gotta be a way to figure that out. It's crazy. If you ain't got no good eye, man, you mess yourself up. Oh, I'm saying alpha. Okay, now I know how far I gotta go. I believe that I am lined up. but I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to break this thing, man. I got to be sure of myself when I do this. I'm not a transmission builder. I can break it down, but rest assured, I do not have any experience building it up. I'll tell you guys this, man. Sure it's hard to get it out of that hole. Grease on your hands. Alright. And see, the more I take it in and take it out, man, the more I'm just messed up. Whew. This thing here, all of this has to line up with this tooth there, but it's got to be right in front of it, not on the side of it. That's what you got to concentrate on. The problem is which tooth to line it up with. It's this tooth right here. Got you some strawberries. Okay, that looks good right now. That's going down a little bit better. So let me get this thing here and see if I can get this damn thing now. Let me get another tool. Excuse me. Everything dirty. I got a hammer. I'm gonna use the butt of this hammer. Hit something on top of that with another hammer. I used to have a big hammer. Now, I bet you go in there now. Boom. Pull out the big gun. Bah! Bah!
Don't break it.
It ain't gonna reach anyway. Thought it was gonna reach. It's not gonna reach. Guess that's why he used that other thing. See if the bottom of this will work. Just don't hit nothing else. It's too fat. This is too fat. Still lined up. And it's going down on there too. I can feel it. This is down on there now. I don't feel that lip though. It should go down a little more. That's how it's supposed to sound. Did y'all hear that clicking? Hear that? Ay, guys. This bad boy. Let's see, is it still lined up? Yes, it's still lined up. So it's going in right. I just, let me see, is that I hope that's not the seal that's done come loose around that. That is the seal, guys. That's the seal. The seal has come loose around there. The seal has come loose. The seal has come loose.
You banged it down in there. Now you gotta pull it out, huh?
I'm gonna put it out. The seal has come loose. The seal on the center of it has come loose. Ay, ay, ay. That,
Fixable?
yeah, I got another seal over there. I got another seal over there, the original seal. This one has been damaged.
No.
And it's not gonna come out of there either. In my opinion, that seal is damaged. I get that little camera, that camera will show me, and yeah, that camera will show me. Well, I think I'm gonna rest on it, guys. I'm not gonna even blow it out today. I'm done. I'm gonna have to take a rest. Come back and try it again. I might have to get another seal. I hate to put that old seal back in there, but that seal has definitely been damaged. Let's see if I got any air in the compressor. Let me try one of these things.
Delicious.
Mm-hmm. You got none of that miracle whip stuff, huh?
No. That'd be nice though.
That big one right there.
I literally put that over there. Those two, I'm not gonna save them two.
I'm not gonna, if I don't push it out, it's gonna end up staying that way.
There you
That's
go.
not a good thing. Mm-hmm.
Hey, you like that, don't you, boy?
This is not ASMR, guys. Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna fool with it no more. I've got strawberries on the brain. I'm not gonna fool with this anymore. I'm done with this today. I'm done with this today. This is my first hiccup, which I was afraid of. Gonna happen. That lip or one of those seals was gonna get damaged on the way in. And how to do that, I do not know. I ain't gonna lie. Because when they put it in, they just boop, 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 pop, and it's in. So,
Yep.
I know how to get it out. I might have to order some more seals. I should order a whole bunch of them just in case I mess up a lot trying to put them in there. Y'all take it easy. Ken coming at you from Ken.com, 1970 Pontiac Firebird, a true Phoenix. Rodan.